Coordinating Committee on Disturbance-Free Educational Zone Demand Day urges state government to declare education as an essential service sector. Combined team arrests two fraudsters who collected money from kidney donors. Court of Chief Judicial Magistrate Imphal East puts them in judicial remand. IMC Mayor L. Lokeshwar refutes allegations against him by IMC opposition team, notes to no confidence motion but condemns false allegations. University of Culture Construction Supporting Committee appeals not to hinder construction of University of Culture at Waka in Imphal East. And President of All India Congress Committee, Rahul Gandhi resigns officially from Congress presidentship. Motilal Vora likely to be interim Congress president. Hello, welcome to Back News. You're watching Prime Time English News and I'm Premi Thangjam with the top stories and latest news. Coordinating Committee on Disturbance-Free Educational Zone Demand Day urged the state government to declare education sector as an essential service sector at the earliest. Member of the committee and Vice President of DESAM and Addison stated that the same on the sidelines of a street play by Nokpade team at Kwairamban Market in connection with the committee's upcoming Free Educational Zone Demand Day. Observance to be held on July 5th. He urged people of the state to support the initiative of the committee, which is a conglomerate of various hills and valley-based organizations.
Education khunai amagi yanglen saru ne haibasi mipum khudi mana amato ina yanaraba wafam amani aduna asigumba khunai amagi yanglen saru oiriba mai masing tamas da piriba sigum chaitheng mayam singsi masigi matang na manipur gi tongan tongan miyam tin mafam sing da campaign si chatharagani hain laukhukibodo madugi chatharakpani masai da manipur le mipum khudi mangna chathajaribा campaign sai da mateng pangbi government su akhoi miyam laujariba masigi kholau tabiraga education bu akhoi essential service ta chalanbiu haiba akhoi appeal si akhoi na coordinating committee on disturbance free educational akhoi zone demand gi mo chilaga akhoi amuka na haiba appeal
A combined team of Manipur and Rajasthan police arrested two fraudsters who collected money from kidney donors. The arrested persons are identified as 34 years old Shahnawaz Ansari, son of Muhammad Rafiq from Rahiman Colony, Delhi, Bypass Road, Brahmapuri, Jaipur, Rajasthan, and 32 years old Ayub, son of Alimuddin from National Highway 308, Van Vihar Colony, Karachi, Basti, Delhi Bypass Road, Brahmapuri, Rajasthan. Shahnawaz Ansari reportedly asked money from kidney donors across the country for medical checkup and registration in the name of one Dr. Aman of Manipur Hospital in Goa via electronic communication. Ayub's bank account was used for money transaction. The fraudsters vanished after reportedly collecting 5,500 rupees for medical checkup and 3,300 rupees for registration from one donor of Khabai Soid in Imphal East, who later filed a complaint directly at Manipal Hospital in Goa. Subsequently, representatives of Manipal Hospital, Guwahati branch reached Imphal and filed a complaint at Haingang Police Station on April 22nd. Acting on the complaint, Haingang Police started an investigation by keeping in touch with top officials of Rajasthan Police. Subsequently, a combined team of Manipur and Rajasthan Police tracked the fraudsters in Rajasthan on June 22nd. Accused Ansari and Ayub were brought to Imphal on June 24th and then they were produced before the Court of Chief Judicial Magistrate Imphal East on June 25th. The court, who ordered to put them in judicial custody for 9 days following which they were produced before the courts today. The court has ordered to put them in judicial remand for further investigation. Imphal Municipal Corporation IMC Mayor L. Lokeshwar refuted all allegations against him by IMC opposition team and termed the allegations as baseless. He maintained that there is no harm in filing no confidence motion as per IMC rules and regulations. However, he urged those concerned not to accuse him with false allegations. Speaking to media at IMC Mayor office today, Mayor L. Lokeshwar stated that disunity among IMC members will only hinder work progress of the corporation. He opined that only dialogues will bring amicable resolutions. Lokeshwar asserted that once the proposed property tax board is ready, IMC will be able to collect over 20 crore rupees in a year, which will greatly aid in all the developmental undertakings of the corporations.
Parking की पैसा कादी है बसिमती parking की पैसा थीबा लापदा कोई की dealing assistant दगी फाइल जी opposition न मुल्ला का पैसा थींदे commissioner दा हायरे AMC establishment दा हायरे municipal corporation जी बु चौखला दी हायदना कोई committee की chairperson सिंह कोई मयाम जिताना दना property tax board से मतम कोई ना delay तौरबनी आइना mayor ओइड्रिंगे ममांगदगी लेरमगसु delay तौदना लाकपा इदु आइगी मतमदगी अदो मसी होजिक्ति ऑफिस फमदना स्टाफ सिंग सुना फमदना इम्फाल म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन कोनबा जगह सिंगदा प्रॉपर्टी टैक्स लौनबा खोयजि पाइखलिबनि नो कॉन्फिडेंस थाबगी दी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ना डेमोक्रेसी ना यारबा मदुगी कानूनी अदुगा नो कॉन्फिडेंस थाय हाइदुना तोंगान अरानबा प्रचार तौबदी तोहनिंगदे
Managing Director of Women's and Youth's Development Trust, Oina Milan, refuted the allegations made by Corporator of IMC Water Number 3, Hijam Nutan Chandra, on media yesterday against IMC Mayor T.H. Lokeshwar and of him collecting around 1 crore rupees from 380 women vendors of Quadaman market on the pretext of giving them vendor cards. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, Milan demanded Nutan Chandra to provide firm evidence to prove his allegations within 1 week. He warned Nutan Chandra of filing a defamation lawsuit if he failed to provide the evidence.
Nutan Chandra haiba operator si mana suma khoi gi women and youth development trust bu mingsa thina na ba ai isa bu mingsa thina na ba mang torkodagi magi mathakta aina RTI thabada mahangna sorolem masing suna thangadabda sorolem masing suna thalamdabagi MLA na suba thabakta mana sui haibagi puthokna dusu MLA khadabagi tongnabu adu che changsu leire aduna maram oidna mahangna numit tari ni gi manungda rorama henbagi chimbong khongat par sine habji matik chaba parman loinana puthoknga pidrabadi ai logi mateng laurani amasung definition chu tauragani loinana aina che chang collection tawba loirabani na maki mathakta PIL su tharagani.
University of Culture Construction Supporting Committee UCSC appealed to not to hinder construction of University of Culture at Waka in Imphal East. Speaking to media at Naharu Makapat in Khetri-Gaon constituency today, Committee President H. Henba condemned Waka Youth Club for imposing a ban on the construction. He refuted that ban on the construction of University of Waka Youth Club by claiming that the site of the proposed university was accorded to Waka village by the State Darbar will not be a wise decision. Henba maintained that construction of a garden in the area, which was declared as forest reserved land under Indian Forests Act 1990, is also illegal. Henba stated that the proposed university will be a pride of the state and also boost the state's economy. Mentioning that declarations of the State Darbar was disposed of in 1990, Henba urged authorities concerned to look into the matter and to start construction of the university at the earliest.
The Waka Kunji Club ki Secretary, President, Executive Member, Loinana, Nisaban Mai Ben, Punamak Chalaka, Hariban Militia Jatra, Huminadra, Akogi. Aston Foundation town later bani mapamse masida saba honobe the maktor makoina han adum objection town lakping as about thinking labineba. As the efficient processing matung in a day, 6 months period, 6 months is Gubusura Kadore. Masi Yadi, a 2 months the efficient processing to Bunadi Masan, quite in a tabaki young and President of All India Congress Committee Rahul Gandhi has resigned
from the post of Congress President. He shared a resignation letter on Twitter today. In his tweet, Rahul Gandhi said, quote, "As the President of Congress Party, I am responsible for the loss of the 2019 election. Accountability is critical for the future growth of our party. It is for the reason that I have resigned as Congress President." He also removed his designation as President into Member of Congress and Member of Parliament. Rahul Gandhi also said that the party should decide on the new president without further delay, and he is nowhere in the process. Meanwhile, sources said that Motilal Vora is likely to be interim Congress president. It may be mentioned that the Congress faced a massive defeat, winning just 52 seats out of the 543 in the 2019 Lok Sabha elections. High Court of Manipur has banned sand extraction, sand quarrying and related activities on riverbanks of the state. According to Impact News sources, the decision followed by the PIL filed by Thoubal River Conservation Committee in the High Court of Manipur against sand quarrying activities at Thoubal River, which has polluted the river water. Chief Justice Ramalingam Sudhakar and Justice K.H. Nobin carried out the hearing process of the PIL, which was filed in the beginning of this year. Further hearings on the PIL will be held on July 9th. An awareness program on International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking 2019 was held at Delta Advanced School in Kuakaithil today. Speaking as a resource person, Additional SP of Narcotics Affairs and Borders, NAP Imphal, T.H. Brinda stated that as per a report, around 185 million people abuse drugs, out of which around 50,000 identified drug abusers are in Manipur. She urged youths to consult their family members and teachers in times of stress instead of turning towards drugs for relief. Secretary of All Manipur Students Guardians Organization, Sumati Saugrakpam, also attended the program as a resource person.
Is a youth, nakoina drug use prevent toge high taragadi, drug use tohalisi maram kharale factors. Number 1, peer pressure, aidi imanabi chaba sidagi moi dagi influence to lakpadagi akoina saning ba phawrakpa. Secondly, problems, stress, psychological as well as physical stress isada lairakanda awaba se kaukthokningbanina aina drug ta resort tawrakaneba sigumba mayam si akoina at all costs you go to your teachers, go to your parents, relatives, anybody. Ventilate to one stress to. Problem to solution do. Ama thola kaneba. Aduga drug that is tight and double. Taste photo can can be gano. I ngasi taste oraga I haying and lepa yabu pony I man of mamma punbasidang sinu harukunwai tokeda can be said. Adu can be gano.
As a part of the security measures taken in the state, Imphal West District Commando Team conducted cordon and search operations at Masjid Road and Maharani Bridge areas in Imphal West today. The team, under the supervision of Additional SP Operations Imphal West Police, Aribam Ghaneshyam, carried out the search drive from 4 p.m. to 4:23 p.m. Altogether, 310 individuals were verified during the drive, out of which 14 individuals who failed to produce any identification documents were handed over to City Police Station for further verification. And on that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on 19th Foundation Day of UCM. And keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Prime Time English News. United Committee Manipur UCM, one of the major civil society organizations of Manipur, held its 19th Foundation Day at UCM office in Lamphel today. It may be mentioned that UCM was formed following the Great June Uprising of June 18, 2001, where people fought for protecting the territorial integrity of Manipur. Speaking in the event, UCM President Sunil Karam asserted that integrity of the state is not fully secured in the wake of 18 years of ongoing Indo-Naga peace talks between NSCN-IM and the Indian government. Expressing dismay that a single community has demanded for a homeland threatening the state's territorial integrity, Sunil Karam urged all the indigenous inhabitants of the state to unite. He asserted that UCM will fight against such disintegration as long as it exists.
Manipur ke apun bagi saktam se kai dana ba hona matam da sumna kakki maiti kaktana sumna kakki kuki na naga kaktana kan gadab nate apun bagi na kan gadab ni sugum bagi apun bagi phire ama launa na ba hona re ai marak sida kana gumba forpa mana kuki gi territory homeland naga gi territory homeland maiti pangal maiti gi sugum makal mata United Committee na Manipur hek hingli makai di furup kanglup naiba administration da adugumba divide to waya ba adugum makal mata gi yaro hai se United Committee Manipur na amuka na furup sa puna mangta ai ko appeal tawjali ai koi punna hingmine ba yaba punna sakhot mine ba yaba lambe lam thimina ra kana ai koi gi tungda lakha da punsirol se nungai ne hingmine ba yanna ba hono matam da ai koi apun bagi collective oiba wafam da punna tongmina si
United Committee Manipur UCM today distributed greeting cards and kids item to RIMS and Jenims hospitals on the occasion of 19th Foundation Day. Speaking on the sidelines, UCM President Sunil Karam asserted that children are the future of the society.
United Committee Manipur ki magai degi angang singi magi polam mamagi chanaba amadi aikoi gi greeting message ma pijabani pijari be maram dik laibak ngak pa haiba se aikoi gi lairiba tungda lakhadaba miron mayam sing se koi laibak nungsiba ei jati bu nungsiba gi wakhalon sense of nationalism sense of patriotism je hon bagi damakta ngasi matam punamakta UCM na kai makhra ningsingam basina angang sidasu hayeng tinjang kajeng daba laibak tengwenta apunba saktam kanana honaba matamda kai makhra doisu thaudang lawira-kani haibagi koi gi manglanda United Committee Manipur na tangai phadana akoi gaini goiba angang mama ge je sigi sida khona chinjaba thoram.
Secretary of Khwairamban Nupi Kaithil, Sinpham and Saktam Kanbalup, TH Rani Laima appealed to the public not to perform any rituals at the shrine of Lairenbi of Khwairamban Imam Market without any prior consent of the women vendors. Speaking to media at Ima Konsabi Sanglen and Khwairamban Market today, Rani expressed disappointment over ceremonies performed at the shrine by some outsiders and foreigners recently. She urged the public to get permission from the women vendors before performing any ceremony. Rani stated that the women vendors, along with Lining Amadi Ina Yokhatpa Apun Bamalem, Layam, Kanglai Park will hold Ingel Chaubi Chara Kumkhaiba ceremony at Ima Konsabi Sanglen, which falls on the third day of Ingen on Meitei lunar calendar on July the 5th. Minister of Information and Public Relations Thongam Biswajit expressed deep condolences on the untimely demise of Joseph Jote, who was the co-editor of Hashamwa Thar, a local daily of Churachandpur district. The minister asserted that Joseph's death has left a void in journalist fraternity of the state. Residents of Laiprakpam village under Wangoi Municipal Council Ward number 8 received safe drinking water today after a long wait of 20 years. Wangoi MLA Oinam Lukhoi, Executive Engineer of Imphal West Public Health Engineering Division, and Sanjit Kumar and AE El Hemant Kumar were present on the occasion. Speaking on the sidelines, MLA Oinam Lukhoi stated that the residents of Laiprakpam village were deprived of safe drinking water for over 20 years. He maintained that the relevant ministry and authorities were urged to arrange a pipe connection from Wangoi Water Supply Scheme to provide supply safe drinking water for the villages. MLA Lukhoi also disclosed that DPR is ready for construction of 3 water supply schemes worth over 30 crore rupees, namely Samura Wangoi and Thongkong Water Supply Scheme for Wangoi constituency to be funded by the centre.
Scheme ahum Thamurong ne Wangoi ne Thongkong Lakshmi Water Supply Scheme ana hum chigi pullaga 30 crore above ko in principle hauji ministry na ayaba piraga lae only sanction tawraga sanction loina piraga paisa piraga semba saga dabuda ngai rabani 2024 bawgi manung da loyo haibani ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯅ ꯈꯔ ꯑꯦꯗꯚꯥꯟꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯦꯡꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯇꯅ ꯄꯩꯁꯥꯁꯤ ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯑꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯅꯥꯎ ꯋꯤ ꯑꯥꯔ ꯔꯦꯗꯤ ꯇꯨ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯥꯔꯠ PPR ꯑꯣꯜꯔꯦꯗꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯄꯦꯌꯔ ꯇꯧ ꯂꯩꯔꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯚꯔꯍꯦꯗ ꯇꯦꯡ ꯀꯥꯏꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯗꯤ ꯌꯣꯠꯅ ꯀꯩꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯝꯃꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯀꯣꯟꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯅꯔꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔ ꯃꯣꯗꯤꯒꯤ ꯚꯤꯖꯟꯁꯤ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯛꯑꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯋꯥꯡꯒꯣꯏ ꯀꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯏꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯊꯣꯏꯗꯣꯛꯄ ꯑꯋꯥꯕꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯔꯣꯏ.
Councillor of Wangoi Municipal Council, Wangjam Masi, expressed gratitude on behalf of Leiprakram villages for providing them safe drinking water. The councillor lauded local MLA for taking away the plights of water crisis from the local residents.
Sahi kunmuki mamangdagi isingji thakpa phangaktre khoije ado hanadi khoi iram sibai 1 number 9 dagi sammaga mati khara matam khara haitare asi thakjarame adugi matungdagi isingji thakpa suphang phangdre ado hoji khoigi MLA kariba oinam khoisina kanna hona bibadagi khoi ising thakpa phangjare.
Meanwhile, a combined team including MLA Oinam Lukhoi, Executive Engineer of Water Resource Department, Food Control, KSH Kameshwar and officials of the Power Department inspected the construction of retaining walls of the Imphal River built to prevent flood at Samurao Yanglen, Oinam Sawungbung, Riaz Khan, Khaidem Wangoi Amujao and Khaidem Yaurobi areas of Wangoi constituency. The team also opened the right canal of Imphal Barrage and checked the irrigation facility available for agricultural fields of the constituency. The team also inspected dredging of rivers in the adjoining areas of Wangoi and Langthabal constituencies till Mutum Pibau and Mayang Imphal constituency. They also checked the construction of 33/4 kV power substation in Iram Sefai. Speaking to media, MLA Oinam Lukhoi asserted that residents of Wangoi constituency will not face any flood-related problems this year. He also assured that the power substation in Iram Sefai will be inaugurated at the earliest.
Lau matam chana panba ngamdaba prajada nungnangba sigi nungaitaba aigi kendragi oinadi Wangoi kendragi oinadi Oinam Songbungi dam ban beresi thingjalaga hojik khoi kenen right kenen thaba yam kanna chathari ayung nungdang naidana ai samuk chachadana damgi magi level du khara hena lekhatana ising yam kanna thahori du mafom kharadadi ising phangdana lau unanabagi khoi lahona chingba adagi te khoi frozen na kaina khoina mafom kharadadi ising adum phajana phange kenen jina cover tawdaba area kharadasu khoi MI department da kaida khoi honorable CM da kaida tanajaraga water pumping haiba tare Sinaraga si low panana bokona nabagi sing pinanaba prajada kanaba phangadaba singdo ai sumaina ihalhan bigoina sima thamjage.
Scanty rainfall has affected Lamlai Sabam Lokol, once famous for enormous agricultural production, being the second largest farmland of the state. People of Lamlai urged the state government to look into their plights at the earliest. Speaking to media on the sidelines of the inspection visit at the farmland by representatives of Lamlai Development Committee and journalist Committee President Y. Ranbir condemned the authorities concerned for failing to take measures to provide irrigation facility.
कोई लोकल असी फगन बगी मियंगदा ममांगदा 2009 दा एग्रीकल्चर की टीम ममा लाक्तना लोकल MLA लाक्तना अदुगा 2018 की मे दगी लोकल MLA ना मफम जिदा कोई इथै लखोंगी कन्ना कोई इसिंग तोइना चावी हाइदन मियंग चंगागा लाकी अदुबु इकांग थोबनिना हुजिक्ति कोई मसिगी अरेम बतारे अमर मदुना हारिबा लोकल असे मसिदा अकन मियंग मखक्तंग अखोइना चंगन जनिंगबगी तंगाई फदबदो कोई थमजबनी मतौ करमना कोई लौ पानबा यागदगे नत्रगना अतोपा कोई अल्टरनेटिव अरेंजमेंट अमा तौबिदुना खुंजागी अमदी कोई लौमी सिंगी अवाबसे कोहनबियु हाबेमा अहानबदा थमजरी.
Meanwhile, Lamlai Development Committee has strictly warned to demolish Sawumbung Bridge on Adral River if it's not repaired at the earliest.
Sawumbung thong asi soklising ni 13 ki angan badagi saba hobani. Aikoina tabada masi BJP की गवर्नमेंट असिदा यावबा अखोई MLA अमना ठिकादार ओय हाबिसु ताई मरम अदुना गवर्नमेंट से मसिना अथुबा मतमदा याम मतिंग लैबा मियाम की अवाबा खंगबा गवर्नमेंट अमा ओय खल्लगा हारिबा मफम थोंगसे अथुबा मतमदा लोशनबियु करिगुम्बा कोइना गवर्नमेंट ता अपील तौजरिबा से मसिदा करिगुम्बा ताबीद्रबदी बनगुम्बा ब्लॉकेट गुम्बा नत्रगना हारिबा थोंगना चिंगबसे मसि अखोई प्रजाना पामद्रे हाइदना खोई मसि लौथोकपा थुगाइबगी खोंजंगदा लाकनी मसि लाक्त्रिंगी ममंगदा गवर्नमेंट हारिबा थोंगसे मसि याम अथुबा मतमदा मियंग चिंग
Imphal branch today held an exclusive business meet and awareness program for entrepreneurs at Hotel Classic Grand. Various renowned persons of the state and entrepreneurs attended the event as resource person. Speaking in the event, branch manager of NEDFI, Imphal branch Priyobrata Gurumayum stated that NEDFI has sanctioned many loans and provided benefits to local entrepreneurs to facilitate in their business. He said that the event aimed to enlighten the upcoming entrepreneurs on various benefits provided by NEDFI so that they can thrive and prosper in their business.
Nauna hudoraibe entrepreneurs sing dasu khara thongna happa amasung makoina chatliba lambi duda hayeng hen na mai pakna ba khara message haidare moida ju khara lakpa amasung net fee na tawriba sing khoi net fee gi kari kanaba kari loba yai net fee have organization se Ministry of Development of Northeastern Region adugi administrative control makhata leiba organization amani aduna matam gi adum yamna akhoina interest rate boy su kari da boy su commercial banks sing dagi hena akhoina consistent interest rate the piba ngamba scheme mayam amasu lei adugi mayam dogi entrepreneur sing da khangan jaba amasung kanaba mayam se loba ya ba kari kanaba leige haiba mayam do entrepreneur sing da lamdam sigi leiriba social leiba entrepreneur sing se da khara khangan jagi hena sinjaba program ninga.
College of Agriculture, Central Agricultural University, Imphal today held a workshop cum training program on the theme Suraksha Sankalp. Dhanuka Agritech Limited sponsored a training program aimed to help farmers to protect their crops from fall armyworm attack. CAU Vice Chancellor Professor M. Premchand and Chairman of Dhanuka Agritech Limited, New Delhi, R.G. Agarwal took part in the event. Krishi Vigyan Kendra KVK Chandal and ICAR Research Complex for NEH Regent Manipur Center Imphal today held a capacity building program jointly at the training hall of KVK Chandal in Mongsang Pantha village of Chandal district. Around 200 farmers took part in the event held under the aegis of ICAR, Indian Institute of Agricultural Biotechnology, Ranchi, Jharkhand. KVK Chandal Ecto Agronomy Dr. Kumlo Livis, SMS Plant Protection KVK Churachandpur and Johnson and SMS Plant Breeding KVK Imphal West. S. Gunamani attended the event as resource persons. Seeds of aromatic black rice, powdy, rice bean, black gram or rajma and soybean etc. were distributed to selected farmers in the event. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren extended heartiest greetings and best wishes to the people of Manipur, especially to Hindu brethren on the occasion of Rath Yatra, or popularly known as Kang Festival, which falls on July 4th. In his greetings, the Chief Minister wished that Lord Jagannath showers the state with joy, peace and prosperity, and the festival brings victory of good over evil and underscores the spirit of harmony and friendship amongst community. Minister of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Karam Shyam and Minister of Information and Public Relations Thongam Biswajit also extended heartiest greetings and wishes to the people of Manipur on the auspicious occasion of Kang Festival. They wish for harmony, peace and prosperity in the state. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Coordinating Committee on Disturbance-Free Educational Zone Demand Day urges state government to declare education as an essential service sector. Combined team arrests 2 fraudsters who collected money from kidney donors. Court of Chief Judicial Magistrate Imphal East puts them in judicial remand. IMC Mayor L. Lokeshwar repeals allegations against him by AMC positioned team notes to no confidence motion but condemns false allegations. University of Culture Construction Supporting Committee appeals not to hinder construction of University of Culture at Waka in Imphal East. And President of All India Congress Committee Rahul Gandhi resigns officially from Congress presidentship. Motilal Vora likely to be interim Congress president.